Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you want to save a video from Pinterest? There are a few ways to do it, from simple browser extensions to powerful command line tools, from just simple settings depending on your OS. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and talk generally about how to download a video from Pinterest. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So the first thing that everybody gonna think about is a browser extension if you are using the browser version. Then the simplest way, as I told you, is to actually use it. The Pinterest Video Downloader by Pin Downloader has a download button to every pin. You just hover over the video and click download. It's free, fast, and works on all Pinterest domains. It's similar to the Pinterest image downloader. Okay, so there is also some people who would use a command line tool for bulk downloads. If you need to download many things at the same time, you can also just copy the link and go to the Pinterest download center. Basically, you can copy the link from here, then go ahead, open Google Chrome or whatever, look for downloading Pinterest videos. They're gonna show you a link where you can paste the link of the video and download it on MP4 or MP3 depending on your preference. There is also many online tools that you can use, and that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.